Roblox. We're going to be doing a tutorial of Penguin Tycoon. It just takes a little while to load. When it says skip, press skip because there's just this little cutscene here. So now we'll be collecting some money, and you can see I've already got a lot of dollars. And this is penguins can help you like get money and stuff like that. So we're just gonna get our glider out because I've done like a lot of percentage of this map, but I'm just not finished yet. Like I've done this YouTube area over here. I'm gonna show you guys this. So here's one YouTuber in here. I think they're called gamers actually. And then here's one in here that you can that I leveled up to 10, and the other one is also leveled up to 10. Wait, why is there just a piece of a plane here? Oh, it must have just spawned, I guess. Yeah, because sometimes plane pieces just spawn automatically when you don't even know. Here's my YouTube garage. Here's my museum. I'm going to show you guys later in the video. There's my progress I'm working on, and over here is my plane. So now I've got 5 pieces and I need 5 more. And for some reason that the X is in that area over there, and it's a bit hard to like see the X. So then you have to like untap on it, then quickly double tap the X. Now we're gonna be going over to the King Penguin, which isn't actually the King of Penguins because there's another one. See? And we'll battle him. And now we'll go off to, I forgot what we're going. Oh, and here's the jet over here. And over here is this. So we're going to spawn this raft. Then we're going to spawn the speedboat. And over here is our sailboat. I've got a hull and a deck, but nothing else. Same, I think I have to press the X in that area there. And I don't know what that is yet. I don't think I've got it yet. I'm not sure if I've unlocked it. I need like a rocket to unlock this other area. And here's the ancient tree with just this little gardener below it. So now we're gonna go over here. So see that guy there? Well, we're not going to any of these parts over here. We're going to the museum, the big part. The museum is a pretty good place. Like there are some cars, and when you run up when you run up them, like you start to get like a little bit of a lag. And I'm only showing you guys this part because the other bit is just pretty much the same as that part down there. And here's a helicopter, but there is no helicopter. I'm so mad with this. Like it doesn't put a helicopter. Hang on, I gotta get down. So silly how they put that there. It's a bit silly. Now up there is just like that painting there still. And then here is the legendary one. I'm gonna go soldier. And now we're going in this big pool. And then here's some chests. And here's some tennis people. That one's level 2 and this one's level 1. And that's the end of the video, so bye.